Hello, I'm Colin. I'm teaching A-level chemistry at East Sussex College in Hastings, where we deliver the AQA specification, which consists of three main components of physical, organic and inorganic chemistry spread over 2 years. It is a 2-year linear course, examined at the end of your 2 years. In addition to that, you will have 12 required practicals that you will take part in over the duration of the course, amongst many others. The 12 required practicals also form part of your grade. We have some fantastic purpose-built laboratories here. We have some brilliant technical support to help us with the practical work, and it's all set in a fantastic new building in the centre of Hastings town. We tend to find a lot of our students go on to study things like medicine and veterinary science and veterinary medicine, along with things like psychology, dentistry. We had a neuroscience student this year. Pharmacy and of course chemistry are some of the key destinations. The vast bulk of students do go on to university in some respect from the A-level chemistry course. The entry requirements for A-level chemistry are a grade 6 in mathematics and a grade 6 in either chemistry or science, additional science at GCSE level, along with our standard entry requirements. Studying A-levels at East Sussex College Hastings is a great experience because we have a dedicated floor within the building. All the A-level delivery is on the 3rd floor, including the staff room where you can easily access teaching staff. We also have a library, and there's also a gym, a coffee shop, etc. on other floors of the building. Thanks very much for watching, and if you have any questions, do feel free to get in touch. We look forward to seeing you soon.